Part 1. The moment everything changed. Imagine this. You check your bank balance, and it's way lower than you thought. Rent is due, bills are stacking up, your heart starts pounding. You don't remember spending that much, but somehow your money vanishes every month, like magic. Then comes the worst part. Payday arrives and disappears within days. You promise yourself you'll fix it next month, but next month? Same story. Sound familiar? You're not alone. Millions live paycheck to paycheck, trapped in a cycle they can't escape. But here's the truth. You don't need to make more money to break free. You just need a system that gives you control, a system that builds wealth without feeling like punishment. This system, it's called budgeting. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create a budget that actually works, how to stop overspending without feeling restricted, how to save money effortlessly, and most importantly, how to stop stressing about money forever. Let's dive in. Part 2. Why budgeting is a game changer. Most people think budgeting means cutting out all the fun. No more Starbucks, no more vacations, no more joy. But that's completely wrong. Budgeting isn't about restriction, it's about freedom. It's about knowing exactly where your money is going, so you can spend guilt-free on things that truly matter. Think of your money like a road trip. Without a budget, you're driving blind, and eventually, you crash. With a budget, you have a GPS guiding you to financial security. Budgeting helps you save for emergencies, pay off debt faster, afford the lifestyle you actually want. Most people never take control of their finances. That's why they're stuck in financial stress for life. But not you. Because by the end of this video, you'll have the power to take control today. So how do you actually start? Let's break it down step by step. And trust me, you'll want to stick around for the last step. It's the real game changer. Part 3. Why most people fail at budgeting. Here's the harsh truth. Most people fail at budgeting before they even start. Why? Because they make one of these 3 deadly mistakes. Mistake number 1, budgeting like a robot. If your budget is too strict, you'll quit in a month. Mistake number 2, ignoring small expenses. That $5 coffee, that $10 subscription, they add up fast. Mistake number 3, not preparing for surprises. Unexpected expenses will happen. If you don't plan for them, they'll destroy your budget. But don't worry, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix these mistakes. The key? Building a budget that works for you, not against you. And it starts with one simple step. Let's create your bulletproof budget right now. Ready? Let's go. Part 4. Step-by-step budgeting guide. Step 1. Know your income. You can't manage money if you don't know how much you actually make. Step 2. Track your spending. Most people spend way more than they think. Use apps like Mint or YNAB to track every dollar for 1 month. It will shock you. Step 3. Categorize your expenses. Break them into essentials, rent, food, bills, wants, entertainment, shopping, savings, and investments. Step 4. The 50-30-20 rule. 50% for essentials, 30% for wants, 20% for saving and investing. If your numbers don't fit, adjust and cut unnecessary spending. Step 5. Automate everything. Savings, automatic transfers. Bills, autopay. This removes all temptation to overspend. Step 6. Plan for surprises. Create an emergency fund, at least $1,000 to start. And there you have it, a bulletproof budget. But wait, there's one more thing you must do. Part 5. Why reviewing your budget is crucial. Regularly reviewing your budget ensures that your financial plan remains effective and adapts to any changes in your income or expenses. This ongoing process is key to achieving and maintaining your financial goals. Your budget is not a one-time thing. It's a living, breathing plan that evolves with your financial situation. Treating your budget as a dynamic tool allows you to make necessary adjustments and stay aligned with your financial objectives over time. Review it every month. Your expenses will change. Your budget should too. Conducting monthly reviews helps you stay on top of your financial status, making adjustments as needed to ensure your budget continues to reflect your current spending and saving habits. Look at what worked, what didn't, and adjust. Analyzing the effectiveness of your budget each month allows you to identify successful strategies and areas that need improvement, ensuring your budget remains a useful tool for financial management. Did you overspend? Find out why. Did you save more than expected? Great. Invest it. Understanding the reasons behind overspending or additional saves enables you to make informed decisions, whether it's cutting unnecessary costs or investing surplus funds wisely. Think of your budget like a diet plan. If it's too strict, you'll give up. Balancing your budget is similar to maintaining a healthy diet. It requires moderation and flexibility to ensure long-term sustainability without feeling overwhelmed or restricted. But if you tweak it to fit your lifestyle, you'll stick with it for life. Customizing your budget to align with your personal habits and preferences increases the likelihood of adhering to it consistently, fostering lasting financial stability. Your future self will thank you. Maintaining and regularly reviewing your budget not only helps you manage your current finances, but also builds a foundation for future financial security and peace of mind. So set a reminder. Review your budget every month. Establishing regular reminders ensures that you stay committed to revisiting and assessing your budget, making it an integral part of your financial routine. Because this one habit separates the rich from the broke. Consistently reviewing and adjusting your budget cultivates financial discipline, a key factor that distinguishes those who achieve wealth from those who struggle financially. And you're choosing wealth. By committing to regular budget reviews and financial management, you are actively making decisions that pave the way towards building and sustaining your wealth. Part 6, final takeaway. Budgeting isn't about restriction, it's about taking control. Your money should work for you, not the other way around. By mastering your budget, you're securing a future without financial stress. You now have the roadmap to financial freedom. Now the real question is, are you ready to take action? Because those who do, never stress about money again. If you found this guide helpful, drop a comment below. Tell me, what's your biggest challenge with budgeting? And if you're serious about financial success, watch this next video on growing your savings even faster. And before you go, hit that subscribe button because your journey to financial freedom is just getting started.